hope everyone is doing well. Nowadays, all of us are addicted to junk foods. Let me show some healthy and tasty snacks. Today I am going to make a healthy sandwich. Let me show the ingredients. Bread, half cup of capsicum, 1 cup of cucumber, half cup of tomato, 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of onion, tomato sauce, mayonnaise, salt and pepper powder. Let's start. Now we need to add all the vegetables into the bowl. Salt for taste, half teaspoon of pepper powder, mix well. Our filling is ready. Now I am taking 2 slices of bread. I am spreading little ketchup on one slice and little mayonnaise on other. It's time to add the fillings. Sandwich is ready. What do you feel? If it serves with a healthy dessert, we need only 2 ingredients, yogurt and dry fruits. I have 2 flavors of yogurt, cashews and almonds. In the glass, I am adding blueberry yogurt as bottom layer. Next I am adding cashews. Again I am adding strawberry yogurt. Finally I am adding almonds. Our healthy dessert is ready.